Hi, this is Service of What's Up Tagupa. Watch me unbox the newest all-rounder Galaxy A series smartphone. It comes with awesome features that help me make most of my day and enable me to be at my most awesome. So tara, I'll be unboxing it now. And here's the unit. So this is the Samsung Galaxy A04. It has up to 128 GB of internal storage and expandable up to 1 TB. So it has a multi-function dual camera, 50 megapixel resolution camera, and 2 megapixel depth camera. It has long-lasting battery capacity of 5,000 milliamperes, and it has adaptive power saving. With the box, you have the charger and the cord. Get the awesome Galaxy A04, A04s, A04e for as low as 6,490 pesos. Thank you for watching the unboxing of the Galaxy A04. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe at What's Up Tagupa and Service. See you guys!